Hey guys, it's Whitney. I just wanted to show you some cool little decoration that you can add to your journal in any kind of like blank space that you have. I made these for a music festival that was here a few weeks ago, so I just wanted to kind of keep track of the lineup and make it pretty, of course. So I put the times down the side and then I put the stages across the top, and these are all the performers that played. But in between there, you'll see all the decoration that I did. This is kind of a fun circle decoration in squares, and these are super easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to do these. I also did one, this is with some cheap stencils, some oval designs, and some stars. I just kind of overlapped them. And then here's the third one. These are some swirls and some lines. So these are super simple to achieve. All you need literally is a pen and your notebook or a piece of paper. So I'm going to use this Sharpie pen and I will get started and show you exactly how to do these cool designs. So we're going to start out with this circle design. It is super easy. Just grab your pen and start drawing around in the area that you want to decorate some small circles. So here I'm drawing about 8 or 9 different tiny little circles. And all we're going to do is go around, start at the first circle and work our way down, making circles around these small circles. So make them about the same size. Even if you don't make them the same size, it's still going to look very cool at the end. So just keep going around in the same order, drawing these smaller circles around the circle. So start back at the top, go around those again, and we're just going to continue the process until they start overlapping, and I'll show you exactly what to do there. So you're just going to continue around and try and go in the same order every single time. And once they start getting real close, you're going to have to just start overlapping. Just don't cross any of the other lines. So we're going to continue this pattern all the way through until there's no more space left to draw these circles. And you'll see the cool effect. They kind of look like they're halfway overlapping, and it just turns into a real simple, easy way to decorate. And so the next one we're going to do is squares. So it looks kind of like this. I am going to switch it up just a little bit, and I'm going to actually make the squares, some of them sideways. So do the same exact thing, except we are doing straight lines this time, not circles. So draw these tiny little squares all around and then flip some. So this is gonna turn into something. It's the first time I've ever done it like this. You can keep your squares the same size, or you can turn them around like diamonds. So just scatter them all over, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing, starting at the top and going around. So here I do about 9 or 10 different little shapes, and then we're going to start from the top again and go around each one of these. So you begin to understand the whole concept of this. It's just kind of going around the same order and doing the same kind of shape over and over again. So this can just kind of be a relaxing thing. There's really not too much thought involved here, and it's just a super easy way to add some flair to your journal. And so once you go around, it kind of looks like they're overlapping or just kind of intertwined. It just looks kind of cool. And you could always stop at any time and add color. Like you could go ahead and stop now and add some color there. Or you can just keep going. I'm going to keep it going and finish it all so nothing is left empty. So how easy was that? It's another super simple one. It looks a little bit different than these here. This is when I didn't turn any of the squares, but I like how it turned out. So this is all used with my stencils. I just used a oval and a star stencil and just kind of repeated the pattern over and over. And it did kind of take a long time, but these are a lot easier. So we're gonna do the swirls next. This is the same type of thing. We're just gonna go around the whole square and do some swirls. You can put them in any direction you want to, forward or backward. You can all do them all the same. I'm kind of switching them up here, and also just make them as big or as small as you want to. and just keep going around your spot that you're decorating. Once you get them really close, I kind of just leave some space there, and then keep adding the swirls. And once you have enough swirls, just start adding lines that kind of outline. So you'll see here I'm just adding some little lines that kind of accent the swirls that we already made, just so I'm not leaving any blank space. And this is a super simple design and really fun once it gets finished. The next one, we're just going to use a ruler. You don't have to use a ruler if you don't want to, but we're going to do these line designs. So I use 5 lines here. You can make them as thick or as thin. You can keep them all 5 lines wide, or use 4, or just vary it up if you want to. So all I'm doing is laying the ruler across the square and just drawing those 5 parallel lines across the area. Then I'm going to just turn the ruler and do the same exact thing a few more times to make the cool line effect. So I will speed through this. So it really is just a super fun, easy effect to achieve. Just make sure you just turn your ruler a different way every single time, and make sure you don't overlap the lines that you already drew. And you can keep going through this, but I kind of stopped once I got enough lines there. You could color in the background, maybe a black would probably look actually very cool, but I just kind of leave it like that. All right, I hope that was an easy to understand and easy to follow little tutorial there on how to draw these designs in your journal. Super, super easy. All you need really is the pen and a ruler if you want one. So it's just a cool little way to decorate some blank, empty spots in your journal. If you like the video, please thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.